Hey beautiful people, welcome back to Mercy Zone. So today I'm so excited for this video because we're going to be doing something really interesting. We're going to be talking about the city of Billings. It promises to be educative, informative, and it promises also to be fun because at the end of this I will be showing you around some parts of Billings, and this video is going to be in parts, and I promise you would enjoy every part of this video. Billings is the largest city in the state of Montana. Montana has its capital as Helena, but Billings is larger than Helena with a population of 119,706 according to 2022 report. It is a regional hub for commerce. It is also known as a magic city because of the rapid growth from its founding as a railroad town in March 1882. It is also a railroad town with lots and lots of historical sites to explore. Has low cost of living, low crime rate, and has a booming job market. I mean, if you're ready to work, there is always something to do in Billings. It's filled with rocks all around and some mountains. Yeah, so Billings is a very fun city to live in. There might not be so much, I mean, unlike some other bigger cities. Billings has had an influx of people very recently. So, and I'm sure by the end of this year, a lot is going to change in the population count. So, yeah, Billings, depending on what you're looking for, would be a fun place for you to be in. Right now, I'm gonna take you around some parts of Billings. Now, let's do the ride with me and enjoy every bit of it. Thank you for watching. And again, please, would you make the comment section interactive? If you have any question you want to ask about Billings, I will be sure that I would be glad to reply to your questions and give you answers as much as I know. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.